Shaivari.
Hi Vaibhavi, please have a seat.
Yeah. So actually, I have been assigned one student, and he is confused whether to study in Germany or Finland. Can you tell me about it?
Yes, so it is difficult to select both the countries as they are amazing and different. So let's break out for the international students.
So starting with the intake seasons. In Germany, the major intake is September or October, that is the winter intake, and April, that is the summer intake.
In Finland, it is January, August and September. Vaibhavi, which are the courses popular in Germany?
In Germany, the popular courses are computer science, engineering, business, and medicine.
In my case, it is business and management, design, IT and environmental science.
Talking about the GPA requirements, Germany typically requires a GPA of 3.5 or higher, but some courses may also accept your GPA of 3.0 and above.
Similarly, around 3 or above, high-performing applicants have better chances. The stay-back period differs for both the countries, right?
Absolutely. For Germany, the stay-back period is up to 18 months to find a job.
Postgraduate student has 2 years in Finland for job hunting.
There are no language barriers. In Germany, many courses are in English, but German language skills require at least A1 and A2 level depending on the university requirements.
In Finland, most of the master courses are in English. What is the part-time work duration?
The part-time work duration in Germany is 20 hours per week during semesters and full-time during holidays.
And in Finland, it is 30 hours per week.
The living expense varies for both the countries. For Germany, you need to show around 11,904 euros in a block account.
So it is 13,000 per year in Finland. All these requirements are fine, but the biggest concern for the international student is tuition fee.
In Germany, it is mostly free for public universities, but there is a semester fee of around 300 euros to 500 euros.
Tuition fee ranges from 6,000 to 18,000 euro per year in Finland.
But Shaivari, there are even scholarship options like in Germany, there are DART scholarships, university-specific grants, and research scholarships.
In Finland, there is university-specific scholarship for international students. Can you please name some top university in Germany?
Yes, why not? TU Munich, University of Heidelberg, RWTH Aachen are some of the top universities in Germany.
University of Helsinki, Aalto University and University of Turku.
So you guys comment down below and let us know which country is best for my student. Is it Germany
or is it Finland? If you like our video, please like it,
share
and subscribe.